Are you looking for a way to find the TikTok videos you've already watched? In this short tutorial, I will walk you through the steps of finding watched videos quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, under Content and Display, you'll see an option called Comment and Watch History. So go ahead and tap Comment and Watch History. And then tap on the first option at the top, Watch History. And now you'll be able to see all of the videos you've watched on TikTok. These videos are sorted by date, so you can scroll down to see the videos you've watched in the past. If you want to delete something from your watch history, tap on Select at the top right corner of the screen. Then select the video that you want to remove. And then tap Delete at the bottom right. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.